Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s to the power of 3. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by e to the power of s to the power of 4 and 1 plus 6y squared. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by the u over number 4. So this one we have e to the power of negative u. The integration of this one we have negative number 1 over 4 e to the power of negative u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2y, so number 6, and number 2 we have number 12. Number 1, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 12, so we need to divide both sides by number 12. So this one we change by u. Y dy we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.